We will show you the workflow for a Maryland bridge made as a full anatomy restoration. To do that, we use tabletops for abutment teeth and a crown pontic for the pontic. Once your scan is ready and Dental Designer is opened, place the annotation, if it has not been done before. When you place the annotation for a Maryland bridge, place them as usual on the buccal side of the tooth, near the cervical area. When the annotation has been placed, click Next to move on to the insertion direction step. Now set the insertion direction, trying to avoid undercuts on the interproximal areas of the abutment teeth. When you find a satisfactory insertion direction, click Set, and then Next to move on to the Anatomy Pre-Design step. In the Anatomy Pre-Design step, perform the placement of teeth in correct positions and shape them. Place the teeth correctly according to the space gap, preparation line, and antagonists. Use the Smile libraries and the Sculpt tools to change the teeth shape and size. When the teeth are set in the correct positions, click Next to move on to the margin line step. Always try to extend the margin line into the interproximal areas of teeth, if undercuts are not too significant, to prepare better possibilities for a future connector. Moreover, try to place the margin line in a way that will give maximum retention for a future restoration. When you set the margin line, click Next to get to the die interface step. Now you have the possibility to set the values of the die interface for both dies, and you can always visualize it by clicking the Preview button. When done, click Next. The software generates an initial proposition of restoration shape and size, which now can be adjusted using the Sculpt toolkit. When your Maryland bridge framework design is ready, click Next to get to the Finalize step, where you can add final touches to your design. Once you have finished any adjustments, click Next to move to the Save step, where you can save and close your design.